Okay, welcome everybody. Today is Friday. It's October 19th of 2018, and this is going to be my recap of the trades that I made today live in chat. Every single one of my trades, all my trades, I do call out live as I'm making them, so my members can go ahead and follow my trades, and then I come back with this recap and I display all the trades that I made. And as I mentioned yesterday, typically I go pretty light on Fridays now because Fridays tend to be a pretty tough day, but today was kind of the opposite. And even though I traded fairly light, I ended up having a really good day. I'm going to show you the very first trade. It came out as a once and done. And if you've listened to any of my prior videos, you know I'm always trying to buy it for at least 48 and less. And I'm always trying to sell it for more than 52. Okay? And in with this particular trade came off, I did get a sell signal. This is of the U.S. Japanese yen. This is a 5-minute chart up here and a 1-minute chart up here. You can see I actually sold it for 55.25. Got a little bit better than 52 because when I put my order in, it was starting to run up a little bit. And the position did come against me, as you can see here. But this particular approach, that when I put the trade on, I always carry to expiration of the 5 minutes. And you can see here that about 3 minutes into this trade, it did finally start to break and turned out to be profitable. And so I stayed fairly light, knowing that Fridays can be kind of tough. But I did have additional core trades today, and they were all working out. I mean, it was one of those days that were just everything was hitting again, which really, once again, surprising after having a big day, making $1,500 yesterday. And typically the day afterwards is usually a little choppy, but everything was, it was still choppy, but everything was just flowing beautifully. And I stayed to the nibble strategy for the rest of the day. I was using the crystal ball method, which I teach my students. And I still ended up at $843. And what's interesting, I went back and I had 23 trades, and 21 of those trades were profitable. So that's a 91% hit rate there. So when you can do that, I mean, you're going to have a great day. And this happens over and over and over again, particularly with the crystal ball method. It is so accurate in predicting short-term moves that it's almost scary and uncanny. But nonetheless, that's it. I just want to let you know that I am still in an introductory period right now. I am offering my service for $99.95. That is going to soon be going up. In fact, I'm probably even going to be taking out teaching the crystal ball method. I will continue to train and show people how to do, obviously, the core method as well as the nibble. But the crystal ball method may eventually get pulled and be introduced as a separate service, only because of the amount of accuracy and how profitable it is. I'm almost giving it, well, I am giving it away. I'm giving it away right now for $99.95, and it's when you can make this kind of money, it's worth obviously a lot more. I did have a student today who he's been with me for less than a month now, and he had over a $5,000 week just this week alone. So if somebody can't see the value on something like that for $99.95, then they really don't need to be trading, because this one approach is probably I will say the best way to trade Nadex binary options, particularly short term. And if you want to make money, if you want to make a living doing this, this is the one way to do it. It's probably the only way that I could imagine it can be done, because you need to know about the crystal ball method in order to be able to get into these trades early. So anyhow, that's it for now. If you're interested, you can at least get the fundamental video for free right now still, and I kind of go through some of the basics of my of the core strategy. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you can go ahead and get a free copy of that. And if you like these updates, please subscribe to this channel. And every time I get a new update, a daily update, or put up a new video, you'll be the first to know about it. So that's it. Be back on Monday. Still looking for good volatility coming into next week. And I hope to see you all in the next live chat room. Take care and have a great weekend. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So, nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. Wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.